Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your Toyota Tacoma tailgate. Securing your tailgate is a crucial step to protect anything you carry in your truck bed. Without a locked tailgate, your cargo is vulnerable to theft, even if you have a tonneau cover or shell. This simple upgrade provides peace of mind, ensuring your tools, gear, and personal items remain safe and sound. Let's explore the effective methods available to keep your Tacoma secure. One common and effective way to lock your Tacoma's tailgate is with a manual key lock. This often involves replacing your existing tailgate handle with a new one that includes a key cylinder. Many aftermarket options are available, some even allowing you to code the lock to your truck's ignition key, so you only need one key for everything. Simply insert the key and turn it to secure your tailgate, providing a robust physical barrier. For ultimate convenience, consider a power tailgate lock. This popular upgrade connects to your truck's electrical system, allowing your tailgate to lock and unlock automatically with your power doors and key fob. Imagine locking your entire truck with a single press of a button. Many kits feature a plug-and-play harness, making installation relatively simple, often taking less than 1 hour. This hidden system provides seamless, remote security for your truck bed. Whether you opt for a manual key lock or the convenience of a power system, securing your Tacoma's tailgate is a smart investment. Beyond protecting your cargo, some devices also prevent the entire tailgate from being stolen by securing it to the truck's hinge. With these solutions, you gain significant peace of mind, knowing your truck bed and its contents are well protected against theft. Drive confidently with a secure tailgate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.